Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is my 2001 upload video. I want to celebrate my 2000th video milestone by sharing it with you. And what I mean by that is for you who comment on that 2000th video, doesn't matter whether you're into what the video is about or not, just comment and I'm going to go ahead and put your name in a hat. And on the 1st of September, because this is August 17th, 2019, I will have my wife or daughter pull a name out of the hat in a vlog as you're watching it. And then I'm going to contact you and I'm going to send you a gift for being my friend and watching my videos. My way of giving back and celebrating my milestones. And I'm soon to have another milestone of 2,500 subscribers. So I will be celebrating that as well. So as I'm always saying, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. In this case, definitely comment. And we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.